Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I want to give you the rundown on Aveeno's Calm and Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser. And I will also show you what it looks like coming out of the pump here. Now, if you have sensitive or dry skin or even irritated skin, then this is for you. I really do enjoy all of Aveeno products, but I think that this one could be one of my favorites. It is so gentle on your face, and there's something about the ingredients in it, especially the oat, that just makes it a very soothing experience. I like to use this one twice a day. I just use lukewarm water. I splash it gently on my face, and then I use a small pump of this. The directions say to use 1 to 2 pumps, but I find that with this dispenser, it comes out so generously. I can get by with half a pump. It's fragrance-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free, so you can feel good about using it. Afterwards, I find that I almost feel like I don't need moisturizer. It's not drying to my skin at all. And that's a good thing because I have sensitive skin and it sometimes leans a little bit towards the dry side. In fact, it's free of so many things. And once it mixes up with the water, it doesn't really suds up, but it becomes almost like a gel. It just goes on your face really easily and smoothly. It rinses off easily and smoothly, and it takes any makeup you've got on or impurities after a long day off of your skin. And then its ingredients are designed to help protect your skin's moisture barrier. And one of those ingredients is feverfew, which is a flower that looks like a daisy, which has known calming properties to help get rid of any redness you have in your skin or any other kind of irritation. You can tell the whole Calm and Restore line from Aveeno because they all have this blue line somewhere on their packaging, and all of their Calm and Restore does just what the name says: calms and restores your skin. I just love it. And it's gentle enough to use every day. If this review was helpful for you, give it a like and consider subscribing. I do all kinds of beauty reviews right here on this channel. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.